In this lecture, I will go through the chart of account segments values upload using the FBDI. As we have scenario, when we create a chart of account, we have the segments and that segments having the value sets which is linked to the segments. But for the each segments, we have the list of values. If we are going to create manually, it will take a lot of time. Rather than doing manually, Oracle is provided FBDI template, so which we can use to upload the multiple value using a FBDI template. So in this session, I'm going to upload the value for the account. In the account, I have multiple values around 400, 500, but in the live scenario, you will have the 500, 10,000, something like, okay, it depends on the business, right? So let's start to upload the accounts value. So first, what we have to do, we have to just click on the Google and search COA account segments value and hierarchy FBDI template. So this you have to enter in the Google. So once you enter COA account segment values and hierarchy FBDI, you will see the first import segments values and hierarchy. Click on this one because we have to download the template. So Oracle is already provide the template which we will use in the file upload. So now here we can see lots of FBDI options, but for our case we will only use for the segment value hierarchy. So here this is for the import segment values and hierarchies. So this is the file, XLS file. I will just click on the file and file is downloaded. Copy the file and place in the specific folder. So this is the file. Now I have to click the file, enable editing. So this is Oracle given some sort of description about the how the file will be uploaded. So overview, the file-based data input process to import segment value and hierarchy from external and legacy source to general ledger. So this is for like whenever you are doing the new implementation or in the existing setup, you have received the some accounts value which to be uploaded, so you can choose this template. Now this is the generate CSV file. So this generate CSV file, when we will prepare the file, then we need to click on generate CSV file, which will be used to upload into Oracle Fusion. So I have not prepared the file. I will go on the GL segments value interface. So this is the segments value structure in the file. So you can see here value set code. You have to give your value set code name and this will be the value, and start date and date, it's up to you, it's not mandatory. And these are the summary flag, enable flag, and account value. If you click on here, you can see the 5 accounts: asset, expense, revenue, and ownership, equity, and liability. Allow posting flag and all these things you will see in the file. And if you see in this file, Here you will see the description. There are so many columns you can see in the description, but it's depend on the country requirement. In my case, I have to upload the description in the English language. So I will choose the description US. And if you have suppose the local language, say example, if I take see Portugal. So in the Portugal, they have the local description in the local language, Portuguese language. So you can enter the description here as well. Okay, so which you can see in the English and local. For the local, you have to enter here, and for the English, you have to enter in the description US. And then we have here the DFF. These are the DFF. Okay, and if you want to mention the data source, so you can mention the data source as well here. Otherwise, you can leave it null. So now, what I'm going to do here, I'm just I'm just clearing complete data because I have already data which you will receive from the business. So in my case, I have the data. So what is the value set code? So in my case, I have value set code. Let me just make sure. Value set code, I have ABC account. This is my value set code. And then I have value. So I have here the file. So these are all the accounts. I will just copy all the accounts value and enter here. So I have pasted all the values here, and then copy the summary flag. Same time, I can just drag all the value to just make sure we have value set code for each values. So that's perfect. We have 437 and we have assigned the value. Now summary flag. So summary flag, there are some parent value is set yes and child value set as a no. So this all data I receive from the business. Okay, so this is a test data, but I'm just explaining in the live business scenario. So how you will get this file from the business, right? Then enable flag. So enable flag, you have to set yes, and then in the last we can verify the file. And account type. So account type here, let me see if it work or not. No, I have to give in a short code. So what can I do here? I can just simply in the file I can take the I can use the function left first character I can get, so which will be the so this is the first character I got from the description because I cannot upload the data with the complete description. So we have the short code, and I will just now copy and paste it and allow posting. Now let's go to allow posting. So same here, I will take, so in this data I'm making correction to have the right value as per my file upload. So I will use again left, and I need only one character, n and y. I got the n and y value. I can paste it, allow posting flag, because it's in the function. I need to paste first as a value, because using function you cannot paste the actual value. So now it's pasted correctly. Same for allow posting. Just copy allow posting, use the same function again, and paste as a value. Now we can paste here. And third party control account, so this also we will receive from the business third party control account. So in our case we have no, so we'll just drag it. No. Reconciliation account, no. Reconciliation flag, if there is, so we can just take from the data where our like business is providing. And this is the financial category. So if you want to provide financial category, so you can enter, otherwise you can simply add the description. So we can take the description from here. I will just copy and paste. So I'm using the description US in English, and if you want to enter the source, so you can enter the source as well, data source. Okay, so if I say FBDI, I'll just drag FBDI. So this is the first thing which we have to complete in the file upload, and then remove this line. Okay, so now we have prepared our file, and then the second step is the segments hierarchy. So which means you have to maintain your parent and child relationship. Okay, so you have received the value, and in this value, say example for this is the asset account, this is the total of assets, so this is the parent account. So how I come to know this is a parent account? Based on the summary flag, right? So if the summary flag is yes, which means this is the parent account. Okay, and so parent account, here you can set the values as per the like which one is your parent one, parent two, and what is the okay values for that one. Suppose this is your parent one, right? So you can enter the value 1000, and then enter the subparent, and then enter the values under that one. So this is the file structure Oracle is already provided, right? So, and if you have like multiple parents, say example 5 parents you have, okay, one parent and subparent, and then you have value. In that case you have to enter here 1000, and then 1010 and 1000, uh, like 1000, 1100, and then you have the 1010. Under this 1010 you have the value like 1011, 12, like this. So this you can maintain like this. In my case, I'm just giving the only one value. Say example, I want to just move. For now to upload, I'm taking just the value set code. So what is the value set code? I can copy from here. ABC account. ABC account, and then tree code. So this you have to create the tree code and the tree version. So I have already created tree code and tree version. Let me see where's tree code. And yeah, so this is the my tree code, and this is the tree version, and this is your tree version start date and end date. So when you want to start and when you want to have end, and if you leave it null, so system will take 999 by default as an end date. So the tree version, let's say 1951 01 01. So 1st Jan 1951 this tree is started, and the parent value I can give here just only 1000. Okay, and under the 1000, whatever values comes under the 1000, let me just move to the file. So like this it will work. We have 10,000. This is the okay, this is the main parent. Okay, so enter 10,000, and then you have the sub parent, enter the sub parent, and then you have the values which is still, yeah, which is still 20, and enter the values here. Now next parent is, if you see here, the next is 11,000, 11,100. So this is the main parent, this is the sub parent 1, and we have second sub parent is 2, and under this we have the values till here. So like this you can prepare the file. Okay, and then you have to scroll to the your data, see you have the correct, yeah, let's scroll, and same here, just to make sure, and this one is also correct. So if I check now, okay, so this is my segment hierarchy interface I have added. I have not added completely, okay, just I'm showing you the example because for me I need to have the segment values, right? So hierarchy I just show you how to use the hierarchy for the upload. So once this is done, just click on the validate segment hierarchy just to make sure there is no error, because sometimes if you left one column value or something, you will get the error. So validation completed, no error found. Now validate our segments values. So system is validating all the data, and if there is any error, system will show the error and which we have to correct. Not showing the count, checking 400 of 4, 436 rows, and system is checked. Now see the message what the system is shows. So it's showing one validate completed, one or more error found, please correct the error. Okay, so these are the errors we have found in the segments values. Value error message, value must be y or n. Okay, row column 5 5 6. Okay, this is a row 5. This is basically in column 5 we have. So just now click and go to the column 5. Which one is the 5? Yeah, 2 3 4 5. Yes, summary flag. Okay, in summary flag, if you see, we have yes and no. Okay, so just copy the value. Summary flag, maybe we have here. Summary flag, yes. Using the function again, select text 1. Okay, and paste as a value, and just copy paste here. Okay, now again we will validate the file, validate segments, because hierarchy we don't see any issues. Now we will validate the one or more error found, please correct error. So this error is showing in the 435 rows, column number 2. Let's check this one also. 435. Okay, so this is because of we have chosen the value, the character, or the value cannot be exp. Okay, so we can remove, this is not the right value we should have in the system with our numeric. Okay, depend on what type of value set you choose. You have selected the character, numeric. Okay, so if I select a numeric, then I can enter only the numeric value. Now just click on the validate in segments. No error found, so my file is ready to upload, to just generate the CSV file. So this is the first step. We have download the file, and second step, in the download file we have uploaded the segments values and hierarchy based on the file which we have received from the business, and then we will generate the CSV file. Continue. I will continue, and this is my folder. In this folder I will save the file. Continue. I can ignore this error because of this some Excel setting. I'm getting this error, Microsoft Visual Basic. I will just continue, save, continue, then again continue. Segments upload. Okay, continue. And you have to select always that folder where you are saving the file. Don't select the different folder, otherwise you will lose your main file. So if you see here, now the CSV file is generated, and before that we have only two tabs here, segments value and segment hierarchy. Now we can see another two tabs, which one is the segments values, this one the system is generated, and second for the hierarchy, right? So I will close the Excel, and this is my segment upload, and this is the file system is created. This is my CSV file which will be used for the upload. Okay, now file is ready. Just enter in the Oracle, and here it's mentioned the steps as well, what you have to do next. Okay, so we have completed the uh, file preparation process after downloading XLMS file, and then we have the jobs schedule process, import segment value and hierarchy. So this is just directly table, directly the schedule process. But before that, we have to upload the file. So here I will go on the tools, file import and export. This one you have to select and click on the plus sign, choose file. This is the my CSV file. So you have to upload the zip file, and account, just enter F. So fin asset, no, we have to choose general ledger import. Make sure fin general ledger import you have selecting the criteria in account. Choose the file. Okay, and then save and close. So now the file has been uploaded on the directory, which I will say the system. Now we have to process the file. I can just open duplicate tab. Again, we'll go in the tools. In tools, there is a schedule process. In schedule process, click on the submit new process. Search for load. Load file. Load interface file for import. So this is the program. Just click on this one and OK. Here this is the import process. So in import process, we have to select the, here we can see what is the process. We have process for import segments, values and hierarchy. And as you can see here, import segment values and hierarchy. So this is the schedule process name. Okay, we have selected this one and we select the data file. So our latest data file is this one. So we choose, or if you have, give the specific name, identical name, which when you select the data file, then you will come to know that this is my file. Because when you are in the live system, there are other consultant and other they are uploading so many files and data. So if you have identical, then it will be easy to select. Okay, and then click on submit. This is my process ID and click on OK. Just refresh. So this is my first program, load interface file for import. So this is loading the file data in the interface. This is for the transfer file. This is this. These are the sub-child program under this process. And click on refresh. Now we can see load file to interface, general ledger segment value launched, import segment value and hierarchy. Once this is completed, then we can check, resubmit and deliver signals. Then we will refresh until all the programs, all the jobs is completed successfully. And if there is any error or log, we can click on the program and we can see the log and it will show you the reason as well. So this is completed and succeeded. We'll go to the system. We will go to the system, setup and maintenance. financial reporting structure, and search the your manage chart of account value set values. Search your value set code, ABC account, search, and my account is with new. This one is my value set code. Click on manage value and just search. So now you can see all the value has been uploaded in the system. And if I drag to side, okay, so we have not provided the financial category. These are the financial category. So if you want to link that some accounts is for the account payable, so you can link the account payable category, account receivable category. So these are all the categories provided by the Oracle. And when we upload the, so you see one difference. When we upload, that time we have the value only one character, Y or N. But when we uploaded data, then it will have the complete text, which is yes or no, or asset, liability, whatever. So now we can see our file upload process is completed. Same you can do for the other segments as well, for the like department or branches, whatever segments you have. Okay, so this is help us to upload the multiple value in a quick way using the FBDI. Now we will check the hierarchy. So we just uploaded the segment values for the accounts, and we have also uploaded the hierarchy. So we would like to see the hierarchy, how it looks like in the system. Click on the financial reporting structure and select here all tasks, or directly you can enter here the manage account hierarchy. You will find out. So we have to click on manage account hierarchy. Search your T code ABC, search. Now you can see with the ABC there are lots of hierarchy is means you can see here. So there are some in draft. Okay, now it's up to you like which one you want to make it active. So let me just check for which we have uploaded. This one, ABC account hierarchy. So this is the basically hierarchy. This is the tree name code, and these are the hierarchy name, and effective start date from 1951. Click on next. So if you see here in the next, we can see the hierarchy which we have uploaded through the file upload process. So if I go in the file upload, prepare file which we have prepared, so this is the hierarchy. So now you can see here we have the parent node, and then we have the subparent. Under subparent we have the values. Same for second parent, second subparent, and we have this value. So this is like how the hierarchy looks like. So whenever you are preparing the hierarchy for the accounts values or any other segments, so you can prepare like this. So this is all about the hierarchy, how we can check in the system.